So welcome back my YouTube friends. A few hours back it was raining heavily in my area, and now the weather is very good and the sky is blue, as you can see. So actually today I'm going to show you a very important tool for your daily maintenance of your bikes. As you all know, nowadays the motorbikes comes with only a single stand, so it is nearly impossible for you to maintain the chain properly. So I have a very important tool for you. So here it is. Its name is Groller and the name of the company is GrandPitstop, and their website is in the description box. Let's unbox it. So here comes your Groller, as you can see, and it has a two rotating wheels and with a blue colored base, as you can see, a blue colored base and two rotating wheels. As the name suggests, the two wheels works as roller to roll your motorbike's wheel. While you are touring, it is impossible to carry a paddock stand with you to maintain your chain in a regular interval. It cost me around 1.7k in Indian rupees, and as you guys all know that the cost of the paddock stand is nearly about 9,000 to 12,000. So it is a very cost effective and also it is a very handy product. You can carry it in anywhere. It comes with three variants: small, medium and large. As you can see, mine is small because it is KTM Duke 200. Actually, if your bike is less than 170 kg, then go for small variant. If your bike is less than 220 kg, then please go for medium variant. If your bike is less than 270 kgs, then you will go for large variant. So I have bought this small variant because my bike is KTM Duke 200. And now I will give you a small demonstration regarding how to use it. So let's check it out. Groller is very easy to use. First of all, place the Groller in front of the tire and then roll your bike onto the Groller, just like this, and you are all done. Now rotate the wheel as much as you can to clean the chain or detect any puncture.